Hey folks, Andy Baryer, Handy Andy, back at it with another review. This time we're looking at something from Samsung. It's their new T5 Evo portable SSD. If you're someone like me, you use a lot of large files, like say video files, you're gonna love this because this portable SSD can do up to 8 terabytes. Not only that, it's 3.8 times faster than an external hard disk drive. So the question remains, is it any good? Well, let's take it out of the box and find out. So let's start with the unboxing to show everything that you get with the T5 Evo. Here is the portable SSD hard drive itself. You see it has that little hook on the top, which I really like because it gives you some flexibility. It's small, it fits in the palm of your hand, but like I mentioned, 8 terabytes of storage. Everything transfers through that USB-C port. So you just simply connect it to your Android phone, to your laptop, or to other Android kind of devices. Inside here, let's take a look and see what else you get inside. Of course, you are going to get some instruction manuals just to kind of tell you everything about the portable SSD. But for most people, it's pretty much plug and play. You don't really need to read that manual. But you do also get that USB-C to USB-C cable. And this is a nice small cable, so it makes it super easy to attach to your laptop, be able to transfer files on the fly. And like I said, with 8 terabytes in that portable thing, it's great for dealing with large, like 4K video files. That's something that I would use it with. So here's a look at what they also sent me, Samsung, that's little nice green case. And it looks like this case allows you to store the portable SSD inside that case for easy storage. It even has the name on the side there to kind of give you it. There's two placements for it. One has a cover, but here's what I noticed. When I was trying to put it in, you can see I'm really struggling trying to get in. It's almost as somebody got the dimensions and made that case and the opening exactly like it, kind of like what they do when you buy tents. So I ended up resorting to just clipping it on there and then using the cable, tucking it in, and then storing it on the side because it's just too much of a tight fit for me to actually store it in there. But let's go ahead and hook it up to my computer station to see what happens. So again, this works for both PC, Mac, and Android devices. Unfortunately, I don't think it works for iPhones, but I will try that out a bit later. We'll talk about that in a bit. So I plugged it into my laptop and instantly you can see that hard drive, the T5 Evo, is available. Now you can get 2, 4 to 8 terabytes of storage, which is just phenomenal, especially for videographers, somebody who's dealing with large files on the go. You need to back that up off your phone. This is going to be a great way to get it onto your laptop. Again, it's got optimal heat control, and that's a big issue with hard drives. You'll notice that they get really hot. I got these little thumb drives for an iPhone, and boy, oh boy, does it get hot. So I'm really happy to see that it is has that heat control. It's a multitask, like I said, multiple devices, Android devices, your laptop, and your PC. So for a lot of people, this is just like a lifesaver. Again, especially if you're dealing with large files, you don't have access to the cloud. Say you just need to move some video files of a project. Like me, if I have a video project with a lot of files, I need to use it on another computer, I can just put everything onto here, take it with me to a different location, plug it back into the laptop, and away you go. Another great use is just actually storing all of your project files. So if you're someone like me where you're always filming videos and you need to store all of that, instead of putting it on your computer, put it on this external SSD, and then you can take it with you wherever you go. All of your project files will be on this hard drive. Makes for great backup as well. But the portability, the fact that it controls the heat, and the fast transfer speeds, this is just a must-have accessory for anybody who deals with large files like video files or 4K files. Anyways, folks, if they just made that case, if there was just a little bit of better opening for putting this in, it'd be almost perfect. But this product in itself, by itself, with 8 terabytes of storage up to, it's just a fantastic device. I highly recommend it. I'm Andy Baryer, Handy Andy, signing out. See you again in the next video.